We at the house, y'all. We got the matching Jeeps. I gotta fix my hair. All right, look, I'm gonna do a house tour, but I just wanted to show y'all like, but I'm gonna do a house tour, like a proper house tour. Did you say go?
Yeah, I said ready, set.
Hey y'all, it is me, IAmLuhhShayy. Welcome back to my channel, my channel, my channel, my channel. Alright, I'm in LA. We's in LA. And of course we got Airbnb everywhere we go. We stay in Airbnb, right? So I gotta give y'all I don't want to hear none of y'all talking about my hair. I know what it looked like. We had the open air Jeep and the wind took me from this to this. Mind your business. House tour. So we finna do that right now. Big ass front door. This, I say how the light turn. This is our room by the door. We always get the room by the door because we like to sneak out and leave everybody. You know. So we get the room by the door all the time.
Right here on the outside. Dang. Act like you've been somewhere.
Closet. That's cute. Put my stuff in here. Make it so I can feel like something.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Oh, so we got 2 bathrooms. Okay, so
I said that. The other one is not a bath, like it's not a full bath.
that's the fan. Okay, bathroom.
And then when you walk, the toilets.
Oof, fancy bitch. Do we got a booty? The booty cleaner. Yep, rear cleanser.
Yeah, it's a bidet.
Yes, bidet.
I just used it as thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got the front door. Okay, so this
Never mind the noise.
Okay, this is my last time interrupting a video. Why did I choose this part to freeze it on? Anyway, the alarm was going off when we came in the house, so y'all gonna hear the alarm do a lot of this video. I wasn't recording it over once we got the alarm fixed, so it's alright. You ain't even gonna hear it after a while. It's okay. Right. This is the door to the garage. Bam. And then y'all, I ain't been upstairs or nothing in this house. We just got in here, so I don't know what none of that. I'm just opening doors. Alright, that's like storage. And then this is a cute little powder room with the toilets and stuff. These fucking countertops are amazing. I want one of these. Look. It's cute. The little thing. The little moss thing. Alright. Let's see. We ain't ready to go yet. We gotta wait for the alarm man. He coming in 7 minutes. Dining room. These chairs are nice. Dining room right here, little bar situation right here, little sitting room. So what's this? What would this be? Sitting room with the outside patio, I guess.
Yeah, because it's only right here.
Yeah.
I don't think you can get it.
Oh, we don't connect.
You gotta get outside right here, then you can walk around to the back.
But like, is it a sidewalk or you walk on the grass?
Hold on, babe.
Pull out of here. I'm taking pictures of this once I fix my edges. So that's what I was saying, because the sitting room right there, but then the living room right here with the fireplace and TV and stuff. Kitchen over here. All these houses be smart kitchens. This got the little cabinet refrigerator. Oh, this the freezer. And then this is the refrigerator. With the double stove. Cabinets and stuff. I know the wine glasses and stuff. Right here. Yeah. And then look at this pantry. Pantry is bomb as fuck, okay? It's real cabinets, like you would think I ain't never been in those, little wine thing right here. That's real cute. I don't know what none of this is. Microwave, obviously, down here. Smart stove.
This where like the trash cans be at.
But look at this. Look at this. We're gonna have to Google this and see how much one of these run you, because this wine thing, so you put your wine bottle in there, put this little piece in your bottle, and it dispenses the wine out of here, like into your cup, like you in a soda machine. So this is nice. And this is a espresso machine. And then I was gonna wait to take it outside, but since we already down here. It's real cute. Got a little sitting area right here. Is this a fireplace or is this just glass?
Hey.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. It's loud over there, but we got the waterfall with the pool, the little hot tub over there.
Only the plug. Fire on with call it 24.
Alright. This real nice though. We got grill over there, the little thing over there.
Earlier that day.
Look at Derek, always on the grass. Look. Look at this. Why every house we go to, he laying on the grass?
Flashback.
Yes, thirst trap.
End of flashback.
There's a balcony upstairs. I think that's the master bedroom balcony. So we'll go up there and see.
It is.
Go up there now.
It is. Because they got a second one right here.
This last is really like, I like the black rose. This is a little child safety. Little glass. Look at this master bedroom. This is nasty. Okay. TV, fireplace. Yes, look at the clock. Look at. It's giving. Hey. Baby, what we wearing today? What we going? This is nice.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this audience is you right here? Okay.
Don't smell like roaches.
Right. Oh no, this
Nope,
is
to the right.
ooh, big man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is this is it right here. Double sink. My y'all don't talk about my edges. They don't talk about them. Alright. This we wanna take Keita wants you to take a picture of this clip.
We already spoke of that.
Oh, alright. This shot, who just got two rain ones, and then the handheld joint. That's nice. Okay. And then the little toilet. Hold on. What's this? Oh, little cabinets. Oh, this is cute. A little air coming. Ooh, bitch. Nope. Okay. Okay, so this is the balcony right here. Oh, this. They got their own little wine, little wet bar. Little desk right here. This all the master bedroom. And they got a gym. This like master bedroom is giving like one bedroom apartment because you got the bathroom, the closet. All it's missing is the kitchen, the little office, the gym, balcony, like 2 balconies. This is an apartment. You wanna come here and work out? You wanna work out? Listen, wait. Say hell, not sure I'm not. Stand, hold on, wait. Okay. Oh, you can do this for fun. Second balcony.
Same room.
This is really nice. Yeah, it's nice. What I was saying was, the thing I like about this house is that every room has its own personal bathroom. So nobody has to share a bathroom. You don't gotta walk far if you gotta go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Everybody got a bathroom in their room. Let's go see the rest of the rooms.
Just the part of the video she speaks up.
What? I don't even know. This is my room.
Yes.
Okay.
Chaz and prep.
Chaz and prep room. Okay. So regular room, TV. Oh, there's a cute little closet in the wall like that. And then you get full bathroom. This is Terrence and Q. It's a nice big old picture. They got a full walk-in closet. The shades, TV. Hey, they closet deeper than that. That's nice.
It is.
These bathrooms so compact. Like I feel like when you walk into the bathroom and turn around, you bump into the wall. It's so like. I like these, like the tables with the books and stuff on it like that. I always think that's cute. Linen closet. Wash and dry beach towels. Okay, it's cold in here. That air's on and all. And then Derek and Jen. Well, Jen got her outfit laid and ready, okay? I like how every one of these rooms got like real deep closets like this. This is nice. Okay, they got a shower. They don't have no tub. We got a shower too. Yeah.
I don't remember that. All you gotta do is just press 1 on here.
For what? For the alarm? For what?
Press 1 on here. And then press open. The blinds will go up.
Alright, we coming. Alright, so.
Or you just press down. Yeah, go back down.
Alright, we about to go. So, we in West Hollywood. We here for the weekend. It's BT weekend. I got a lot going on, but I just wanted to show y'all the house. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss none of my LA videos. And it's lit. We outside.
Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!